Django JSONField doesn't accept value. I add a JSONField for one of my models. I want to create an instance of that model in admin panel, but that JSONField returns a validation error. Enter a valid JSON. How I can fix this? Model. I add products in admin panel. I want to have multiple attributes for my products like color, size and. Is it true to use JSON fields for that? This is the error.
This is not valid JSON. The strings in JSON are wrapped with double quotes. Indeed, you can verify this for example with JSONLint.com. It is a valid Python dictionary, but not valid JSON. You thus should enter. For more information, see the JSON specifications. I have products in admin panel. I want to have multiple attributes for my products like color, size and. Is it true to use JSON fields for that? If the fields are fixed, are attributes of all products, then you should use individual fields, since that is more convenient to filter, make forms, etc. If the data is more dynamic, it is often better to make use of a JSON field.
Please consider subscribing.